नमस्कार प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, मैं हूं अरविंद सिंह पेमावत, हेड ऑफ करियर डेवलपमेंट एंड कॉर्पोरेट रिलेशंस, गीतांजलि ग्रुप उदयपुर। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, वी ऑलवेज कम अप विद अ न्यू इनोवेटिव टॉपिक फॉर द करियर डेवलपमेंट, एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी एनहांसमेंट एंड द स्किल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. In the same series, today we have among us one of our talented students from BTech Electrical Engineering from 2022 batch, that is the current batch, Divya Sahu. So welcome Divya.
Thank you, sir.
So she has recently got campus placed in Harman International Limited, which is a part of Samsung Electronics, one of the core product development company. And she has got an offer of 5 lakh per annum, which is one of the good and lucrative offers in the campus recruitment. And she has recently joined also. So congratulations for joining into one of the good organizations at a international level, right?
Thank you so much, sir.
She has joined the organization, and we just want to have some ideas that how an electrical engineering student can go into the product development companies, and what are the core opportunities available, what are the opportunities apart from the core field for electrical engineering student is available. We'll talk about that, because many students always ask the questions or come up with some interaction for the electrical student. So that is the reason we are today having an interaction for the electrical student also, right? And as well as the another branches students. So before going into the discussions, Divya, we just wanted to know a brief about you so that the student can have a better understanding what Divya Sahu is all about.
So first of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And good afternoon, sir, and hello everyone. My name is Divya Sahu. I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Now I am pursuing my BTech from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies, and I have aggregate SGPA of 9.5. And I have done my schooling from L Soldier Senior Secondary School, and I scored 81% in 10th board and 74% in 12th board. And I have done my summer internship training from Adani Dhanu Thermal Power Plant, Dhanu, Maharashtra. It is an online training, 1 month online training. And apart from this, I am familiar with 2 programming languages, which is Python and C language. And I have done too many courses, online certification courses like solar energy basics, wind power plant, machine learning, etc. And that's all about my academics. And apart from this, my hobbies are dancing and singing.
Okay, very nice, Divya. It is good to know about you. And our audience also wanted to know that how you cracked one of the leading organizations like Harman, because Harman is the product development company and it is a part of one of the leading MNC of Samsung Electronics, right? As an electrical engineering students, you have taken a lead among all the computer science and electronics and another branches students also, and you have cracked it. So how you have cracked it, and was it a easy way for cracking these kind of roles, or you have also faced some difficulties? We just wanted to know in the brief.
So as an electrical engineer, I have faced some difficulties, like my code is not run every time. I got many errors like that, your compilation errors, that type error. At that time, I'm very nervous how to my code run. So I'm facing that type of difficulties, but after that I'm practicing regularly. So I just overcome this problem. So for Harman, I have shortlisted on the basis of my CoCubes score.
Okay.
On CoCubes platform, I have applied for the Harman. After that, I got shortlisted for the assessment link. Then after that, I got my assessment link, and after the assessment, I am proceed for the further rounds, technical interview and HR interview.
So was it a tough one, or it was quite easy?
Sir, so Harman assessment link is quite difficult. It is litmus a paper which is difficult.
Litmus normally give a slightly a tough paper. That definitely we know.
Tough paper, yeah, sir.
So you were confident about your selections, or you were not sure whether you will get selected or not?
So I'm not so confident, but I'm very positive. Yeah, I definitely got that opportunity.
Okay. So how many codes were asked in the written examination during the technical rounds of yours during for the Harman process?
Sir, there are in litmus test there are three parts in this assessment. First one is related to C and C++. Second one is Java. Third one is .NET. Actually, sir, I am familiar with Python and C language. So we have, if we learn one language, then we can easily understand other languages. Just like there is only a syntax difference. So I just crack on my basic knowledge.
So after joining Harman, how you are feeling?
Yes. Sir, after joining Harman, I'm feeling very lucky. I have joined Harman. Company is very good. Environment is very good. I'm really enjoying Harman.
Okay. So you have not got passed out yet. Still your 5 to 6 months is remaining. So before completion of engineering, getting any opportunities and getting the job and join into the organizations, give more confidence or not?
Yes, sir, definitely. We are more confident because our eighth semester is running currently. We have to manage both the things, college and job also.
But you are intelligent, you can easily manage, you have a good academics also. If any electrical
Yes.
students are doing any kind of learning regarding the programmings and the coding and these kind of basic concept of coding and programming, so these kind of concepts help the electrical engineering student to get a job in IT MNCs as well as the another product development companies or not?
Sir. Yes, sir. It's definitely very helpful for electrical, not for electrical, either civil, either mechanical. It's helpful for every branch because in first year we have already taught us C programming language for 6 months. At that time, we have learned the basics of C and we have learned small programming like pattern printing, logical operation, making calculations. That's we have already learned in first year. If we do good command on this C language, we can easily learn other language also.
Okay, it means it is not difficult for any electrical and another core branch student also to learn these kind of coding languages, because many students come to me, we want to go for these kind of product development companies or any kind of IT companies, but we are not aware how we can learn coding, how we can learn programming. So it is easy. If somebody have the interest towards these kind of coding languages, they can easily learn, right?
So everything is easy if we are doing practice. If we not study that things and we just study for the pass the exam, so we are doing nothing. If we are practice on regular basis, so that will be helpful for us.
Great, great. So you have done internship from Adani, which is one of the well-known organization at a national level. So was the learning which you have received in Adani, it has also helped you to groom yourself, and during the interview or any kind of process, it has helped you?
Yes, sir. Internship in Adani is very helpful for me because in 1 month of internship, we have learned many core concepts like how company specification, how maintenance did, how transformer, how all coal handling plant, etc. are working. We have learned so many things from Adani.
Any positive point of yours, 2 to 3 points, or the strength which we can say which has helped you to crack these kind of opportunities?
Strength. So firstly, we have positive attitude.
Very nice.
We always
Attitude is
think,
very
yeah,
important,
I will,
definitely. Good attitude
yeah, I will do
always
that.
always benefit in the interviews.
So second thing is time management. And time management is we are not I will do tomorrow, I will do after day after tomorrow.
So we
If
have to
we
we have
delay
to
things
manage our time and we have to complete the task on time, right?
on time, yes, sir, definitely. Third one is confidence.
Confidence. So how
Confidence.
confidence? Because students are facing these kind of issues, right? When they are sitting for an interview, they always say, "Sir, we are not confident. How confident can improve? How we can be more confident?" how we can develop these kind of skills by which we can be confident. So what is your tips to the students to become more confident?
So, sir, if I'm talking about confidence, before 2 years back, I am just appeared for first mock interview. At that time, I am not very confident. Actually, I'm not even tell me about myself also.
Yes.
At that time, sir, I'm facing many, problems. How to explain myself? I don't know English. How to communicate? But sir, this was my first experience. But after that, I'm practicing and I'm trying to speak. So automatically confidence, I'm very confident automatically.
Right. So from your side, the lesson is, if you practice for anything, everything is possible, right? So and more practice will give you more and more learnings, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
any electrical engineering student or any kind of core branches student can also become a part of the product development companies. So it is not at all difficult. And many kind of assessments are available, which we always do in a college or outside colleges also you can do, like e-litmus, like metal, like cube, like TCS ion. These kind of many portals available by which you can have the learning, you can have your assessments, and you can get an idea that where you stand and where you have to go and how you have to improve. So I think Divya, definitely your interaction is going to help to the students. Uh, any kind of message you want to give to the students from your side, that what they have to do as an engineer, and if they do any kind of live projects or any kind of practical things, these kind of things also help to the students when they are sitting for an interview or not?
Yes, sir. Projects are very helpful for everyone. If we make one project, we learn so many things. Like recently, I have complete my project from solar powered automated irrigation system. In this project, I have learned many things like Arduino, how Arduino work, and how other microcontrollers, GSM module, etc. I have learned about so many things. So we have such an experience to explain these things.
Very nice. So I think projects also help you a lot. And
Yes.
as an electrical engineering students, some student also having their dilemma: if we will not go for a core job, then we cannot do anything in our life, right? So this is not also true. Am I right or not, Divya?
Yes, sir. It's only on basis of their interest. Yeah. Because as an electrical engineer, we have lots of opportunities. We also go for government. We also go for a private core. We also switch our career in IT, and we also go for defense, etc. We have many opportunities.
Or many of the students also go for GATE examinations. So that is
GATE
all depends.
examination.
That is also all depends. But these all interests and initiatives always help you to groom your personality. So I think Divya has given her example when she started her mock interview. When we have taken first mock interview of her before 2 years back, it was something different. Now you can see the confidence level of her. She is working with one of the top giants, top MNC, you can say, which is a part of Samsung. We are having proud as a Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies that we have the proud students and the brilliant student like Divya. And with this, thank you, Divya. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much,
and,
sir.
For the audience, we always come up with these kind of initiatives, and we are definitely going to help you for your career development. With this, thanks a lot. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.